only stand up. But I don't want to turn around. We're just going to stand. Kaya kamubing, mag-send ka na din. Why are you... But you know, when the boys want to... Why? So wait, I can turn my back even I'm not standing like that. Oh. Alright? Just like that. Oh, you said just turn my back. I have already do that. No, I'm not scamming you. I'm just doing what you want me to do. And I have already stand. You're the one who's scamming me. You're the one who is scamming me. I told you. No, I'm not cheating. I'm just using my brain. You know that, huh? You know what? If you want to send me a beans, you're not going to let me do it. If you send me, I will do that. If you send me many beans, I will do it. Is it a deal or no deal? I will, sige pa, mamaya follow pa kita. Hindi pa talaga ako makapag-follow pa. No. I will do it if you send me first. Yes, that's true. No, I want you to trust me first. Just send me beans, many beans, then I will going to do what you want. I'm waiting. Yes, I will not scam you. Just send me many beans first. You're still not sending me beans. You're still not sending me. Sure, sure. Basta hindi ka, baka scammer ka din, ha? Charis. You know, don't scam me.